maka-work ko si Emilio Daez.
Napaka-cooking talaga tong si AZ. Pero yes, I think we're definitely gonna work together, AZ. I feel it. That's
I feel it also. Hoy, ano yan? Oh my God.
Relax kayo.
Anong gusto mong, genre pa?
Gusto ko pa well, actually now, I'm doing action. So, siguro, tignan pa natin. Siguro, mas rom-com, diba? Why not?
Yeah. Rom-com with a mix of action?
Yes, why not, diba?
Yeah. Kumusta naman yung action? How is it?
Kaya, nakakapagod. Pero, I mean, masaya siya. I think, na-experience mo na ba? Try mo.
No, yan yung dream ko.
Feel ko
Rom-com
bagay
with
ka rin
action.
dito, sa action.
So, nagtatumbling-tumbling ka.
Hindi. Sina Donnie tsaka si Kyle, sila yung nagtatumbling-tumbling.
Nagtatumbling.
Wala.
They're giving hints, ha? Sabi nila, they're giving hints.
No.
What
Maybe.
hints? Wala kaming sinasabi.
Oo nga.
Naglalaro lang kami dito, guys.
Yeah, hello.
Until what time ka naka-live?
Labas na tayo in a bit.
Yeah, I
2:25.
might go in a while.
Yeah. Don't worry, guys. We will have more lives, diba, Easy?
Yeah, for sure. Message lang. Ay, ayan, kaka-reply lang ni Michael.
Ano sabi niya? Sabi mo pa.
Sorry na sa event. Nag-work pala. Tapos ginugulo ko.
Oo, okay lang yan.
No. Pero yeah. Isang message lang naman yan ni Emilio G. agad ako.
Oo, go. Easy. Isang message for lahat ng mga Asmilio na nanonood bago tayo mag-sign off.
Thank you for all the food. I swear, sinishare ko po kay Emilio yon. And thank you for always supporting Emilio din. Ako. Grabe, sobrang active talaga nila. As in, super.
Yes.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you sa lahat ng Asmilio. Abangan niyo yung mga pasabog namin.
Abangan nyo ang mga pasabog namin.
So, ayun. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng support. And we'll see you all very soon.
See you guys soon.
Bye, Izzy. Thank you for
Bye,
joining
Niels.
live with me.
Thank you for going on live with me.
Yeah.
Thank you for playing.
We'll play.
We'll play.
Let me know kapag epic ka na.
G, magpapataas ako ng rank para makasali ako sa'yo.
Okay.
Sa rank. Go.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Ingat, Emils.
Ingat, AZ. See you. Bye-bye.
See you.